Here, what's good, cryptocurrency fans out there? Welcome back to the Everything Altcoin channel. Today, we're going to be talking about prediction markets. Now, I haven't talked about prediction markets on this channel, not too much besides live streams, right? But prediction markets is getting so big, it's getting crazy. I do think it's going to be one of the top narratives this year here in 2026. If you guys seen my tweet, I believe the top narratives are going to be AI, robotics, RWA, prediction markets, and energy. Now, prediction markets is because of how big it's getting in the traditional space, you know, IRL, outside of crypto, I should say, right? Big things is happening for prediction markets that I believe we need to find a way to take advantage of for it to translate into crypto. So before we get into talking about all of that, I would like to ask you guys, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. We on the road to 30K subscribers. If you guys want to help out with that, hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video, comment what you guys think down below. And while you guys are down there, you guys can hit that Discord link to join the Discord to continue the crypto conversation we're having daily. And you guys can ask your questions on how does that Patreon group works, and you could go on to Patreon itself and all the posts we've been making in terms of the wins that we've been getting into, the plays we've been getting into, and the wins that we've gotten in, right? We already made 2 plays this year, actually 4 plays, 2 that we just posted not too long ago, and 2 we're waiting to take off very soon here, right? And after you do your DD, you guys can pick up your Essentials to Mastering Tokenomics ebook. This will help you guys pick out the next gem in your cryptocurrency portfolio. Once you're able to understand market cap, FDP, circulating supply, narrative vesting, all of that is very important to picking out the next gem in your cryptocurrency portfolio. Then you guys can take advantage of the discount that's going on Patreon as of right now, 50% off, to get your feet wet in the group, test it out, see if it's for you guys. Then lastly, if you're looking for a cold storage wallet to store your cryptocurrency, I use Tangem. So if you guys want to use the same, use code Everything Altcoin, save yourself 10%. And let's get right into the video, guys. Now, prediction markets has been looking very good. I don't know if you guys have been testing out prediction markets, but I've been testing it out on polymarket and kalshi using my app as well. As you can see, polymarket 15-minute markets lead as Polygons report $1.7 million in fees in January. If you guys don't know, polymarket right now is on the Polygon chain, and that's helping Polygon actually generate a lot of fees. But to that note, polymarket also is looking to prioritize their own L2, as there's been some network disruptions with Polygon, right? So it looks like polymarket may end up getting their own L2. We don't know when that is going to happen, but we still been waiting for their own token, if they are going to have a token or they're going to IPO into the stock market. We don't know. They raised a lot of money, and there's people that's actually farming polymarket as of right now. Now, why am I so bullish on prediction markets going into 2026 here? Well, pretty much everything is getting taken over by prediction markets, right? The 60 billion revolution, right, on prediction markets, right? Now, when you guys scroll down in 2025, the industry didn't just meet the ambitious 40 billion volume projection set by analysts, it shattered it, right? Recording a staggering $63.5 billion in notional volume. Now, that's not just it, guys. Prediction markets is literally the talk of the town. It's everywhere, right? Even so, it's getting so big that Robinhood added their own prediction markets hub in partnership with kalshi. Coinbase did the same in partnership with kalshi, right? The Dow Jones and the Wall Street Journal got a partnership with Polymarket. Then Polymarket even partnered with a crypto project called Parcel to plan to launch their real estate prediction markets. And what that did for Parcel was crazy. It honestly just pumped ridiculous. Well, not crazy ridiculous. It did do a 2x, pretty much a little bit above a 2x here. You can see that massive pump here. This is when the news came out for Parcel. And this was an RWA play we haven't talked about, honestly, since the start of 2025 or something like that. So this was nice to see this partnership here. So you can see the big 2 platforms are really taking over in terms of other partnerships outside of crypto, from, you know, Robinhood to Dow Jones and things like that, right? Now, we're going to be seeing DraftKings have their own prediction markets. I'm sure FanDuel will also have their own prediction markets. So this is a big topic that is going on as of right now, and analysts now are projecting that the industry could surpass 100 billion in annual volume milestone by the end of this year. While we have the market cap, the total market cap of the prediction market sector here at about $3.4 billion. Of course, that is excluding Polymarket and kalshi, but there's going to be some big ones that's going to be dropping that can actually boost this market cap and probably get a little bit interesting in terms of the prediction market side. I'm looking to target a few plays here to see if we're able to actually gain some traction here, right? Get some of the attention that is going to be coming in for prediction markets on the crypto side. Now, before we get into talking about those plays here, a lot has been coming up where there was the discussion, is pretty much prediction markets the new meme coins, right? The new narrative like meme coins, because pretty much a lot of the meme coin traders have flipped from just trading meme coins to actually trading prediction markets. And that's been a little bit of a topic of discussion, right? You know, you got meme coins, right thesis, early info, get fucked anyways. Cabal creates the 100th version of the same coin. You guys already know how this game works. We got burned on a lot of different meme coins, right? Prediction markets, right thesis, right info, paid being right. Now, it won't have the same gains as like meme coins, because if you hit on a meme coin, you could get a ridiculous return on meme coins, right? We've seen it already recently with a lot of different meme coins. Now, looking at the prediction market weekly update by PJ here, the notional volume here, you guys can see Kalshi is at the top with 2.01 billion. Opinion Labs is at 1.6 billion, 1.60 billion, while polymarket is right under that at 1.50 billion. Now, this is huge because Opinion Labs will be coming out very soon here. So O Labs offers a decentralized suite of products, including a prediction market, opinion market, and Oracle designed to provide transparent and objective information for global decision making. The platform emphasizes privacy, security, accessibility, allowing users to engage in predictive trading and data-driven decisions. With features like privacy by default, that is huge. None of these platforms have privacy, right? And world-class risk management. O Labs aims to empower both novice and professional traders in a decentralized ecosystem. They raised $5 million, total of $5 million here. As you can see, back in March of 2025, YZI Labs, which is now also known as, well, previously known as Binance Labs, Echo, which was bought out by Coinbase, and of course you got Animoca Brands and Manifold right there, and then of course YZ Labs back in 2024, August 2024, they also was a lead investor for a unknown round. So when you go look at things, Opinion right now is at a TVL. You can see the TVL here. Obviously the TVL is lower than polymarket, but it is doing a lot of volume. So it seems like this is where the crypto native people may be doing their trading. So this is potentially going to come out and possibly have an airdrop. And as you guys can see, they do already have a market on polymarket, which will be what is going to be the FDV of opinion on day one right now, right? You can see from 500 million, 1 billion, 2 billion. Either way, we're going to see when it finally comes out, and hopefully we get a decent FDV that we can possibly trade on it. We're going to see how things look. Then you got forecast here, predict protocol. This is suspended here, but with 109 million notional volume. And then you got try limitless, which we're going to be looking at. This is one of the tokens that is actually out as of right now. Obviously the volume isn't too crazy, and it did have a lot of FUD. Rightfully, the FUD was just perfect because it seemed like the team was selling their tokens when they first came out. So you can see once it came out, it just kept dropping here as of right now. We don't know where the bottom is going to be, but for it to be at $13 million market cap, this is fairly cheap. Now, if it gets below a $10 million market cap, I may take a shot at this. I don't own any of these cryptos we're going to be talking about in this video here. Just want to let you guys know that I'm just here talking about it because it does look very interesting, and I'm looking to at least get one of these plays here into the portfolio that can get big, right? So right now you guys can see it as of right now. It hasn't really done too much. It just came down. It came out also in a bearish market, and the FUD didn't help it. So it is down 85% from its all-time highs as of right now. So looking on base, you got a few plays as well outside of limitless. You do have Pretty, which is on virtual. We're going to look at that. And then you also do have True Markets as well. Their account is suspended. I feel like a lot of these accounts have been suspended lately, and it doesn't look too good. But Pretty is an ultra low cap as of right now, just below a $2 million market cap. Of course, for me, it does look good just because of the fact that it is being highlighted by base in them, but it also has a different twist than any of these prediction market plays that we're going to be looking at, because you can directly make prediction markets on X, which is very huge. That's a game changer. As it gets bigger, people could create their own prediction markets on X through Predi, but that also means that Predi has to be widely adopted, right? So that is the risk there. This is what happens when you look at these low caps here. They have to really hit the nail on the head for them to become very successful, or it's a very big risk. True Markets is another very low cap here at a $3 million market cap. Once again, I do not own any of these cryptos. I'm just doing the research and putting the research out for you guys to see if you guys can get some help, right? Its all-time high was 5 months ago. It is down 86% from its all-time highs. So True Markets is another prediction markets. On base, there's not too many. I don't know if there's going to be a successful prediction market play on base. Maybe Limitless, if they could shake off everything from how they dropped so far. But there's a lot of new plays that's going to be dropping too. We looked at Opinion, right? Opinion does look like it's going to be a decent play. Now you got Probable, which is also another prediction market platform that's going to be launching on BNB, Solana. These chains look like they're going to be taking advantage of a lot of prediction markets. So maybe, hopefully, Base could catch up, right? Probable is a zero-fee on-chain prediction market platform launching on BNB chain, co-incubated by PancakeSwap, which is huge, and YZI Labs. So it is co-incubated by the chosen DEX on BNB and Binance Labs themselves. So that is huge, right? It enables users to forecast outcomes across crypto, sports, global events, and more using a sleek wallet native interface powered by UMA's optimistic oracle, and Probable ensures decentralized, tampered resistance resolution and transparent market creation. Now, it doesn't let us know how much they raise, but another play we could look at is Space, which is looking like it's going to be coming out this month here. Space is a leveraged prediction market platform built on Solana, designed to reward users for accurate insight while enabling efficient capital flow through competitive forecasts, right? But it's the thing for this one is leveraged. This is taking gambling to a whole nother level here, right? You guys can see it raised a total of $3 million from Morningstar Ventures. From Morningstar Ventures, you got Echo here, so they could be launching on Echo's platform here, right? And you can see we got the market on polymarket here, Space FDV, which could be above 40 million, which everyone is pretty much, a lot more people are betting yes on. 60 million, it could be there after day one. Right now, these are kind of relative. You can see where people are putting their money at in terms of where they're going to be launching. So this is also why I do like polymarket, because you can also bet, not just polymarket but prediction market, because you can also bet on what do you think the FDV of these plays are going to be when they finally come out. Now, Predict.Fund is also another one that is going to be on BNB, which is interesting to see. BNB is actually betting on a lot of different prediction market platforms, right? They're looking to see if they're going to find the winner out of all the ones that they're pretty much betting on. And Predict.Fund actually right now are people are farming this because there's going to be a potential airdrop for this as well, right? And I think this may also become going on base. No, sorry, I had it mistaken. There's this one called Noise. Noise is the one that is going to be on the base ecosystem, right? Noise is building attention markets, right? Prediction markets adjacent platform where traders bet on whether topics, brand, trends, and narratives will retain cultural relevance over time. Now, this one is going to be a little bit interesting to see how it's going to play out, because this is an attention market, not a prediction market, right? Platform combines elements of Google Trends with prediction markets mechanics to create a continuous trading of culture mindset, right? So you guys can see when you scroll down, total raise is $7 million, $7.10 million, right? Lead investor Paradigm here. And I don't know the other people that's really much on here, but GSR is up there as well. So this is one that is going to be launching on here as well. Then you got one called Exo Markets, right? Exo Markets is a permissionless conviction market protocol that lets anyone create, trade, and resolve yes/no markets backed by real financial stake, built on sovereign roll-up with Celestia for data availability. It's been a while since we heard Celestia and data availability. So this is going to be another prediction market that is going to be coming out, prediction market platform that is going to be coming out. And the last one we got for you is Rocket. Rocket is going to be coming out on the Mega ETH blockchain. Mega ETH isn't even out just yet, but you know they're going to be coming out very soon, and Rocket is going to be the prediction market that is going to be launching on Mega ETH. So these are all the prediction market plays that is going to be coming out, and as you can see, these all look a little bit better than what we already have out, right? This is why I tell you crypto is always continuously evolving. You could look at a play right now on the prediction market narrative, and you like, oh yeah, I'm bullish on it right now, but in like a few months things could change because a new platform is going to come out that may get a little bit more hype. So we're going to see this one is going to change. A lot of things in this little narrative here is going to change. We're going to see if there's going to be a winner. Of course, right now one that is out that is looking like the main winner is Rain. Rain is at about a $3.2 billion value market cap here, right? This is our Arbitrum, and its all-time high was just 2 days ago. So it has been running the last 4 months, and it is up 325%. So it shows that people are looking for a prediction market play on chain that they can put their money in, that they could find a winner. Limitless could have been that winner, but they had too much FUD early on, and that caused them to drop. So with these new ones that may be coming out, people may be looking for a way to really gain off of the hype that prediction market is going to have in the whole world as of right now on the crypto side. So I want to know what you guys think. Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. How do you guys are feeling about prediction markets? Are you guys going to be adding prediction markets to your portfolio? Let me know in the comment section down. I want you guys to also check out my prediction markets intelligence hub tool for you guys to help you guys actually win, get an edge in the prediction markets. It's already out in the app store right now that you guys can go ahead and look into. I'm gonna leave the link for this in the description down below so you guys can go ahead and check it out. It's called SAPE, which stands for Scan, Analyze, Inform, and Predict. So check that out. Links for that will be in the description down below, and I'll check you guys later. Peace, YouTube.